It's a Vietnamese noodle.
I think you told me.
Yo, do it. Sorry.
Let's make it go!
Toss up.
No, wait, no. Actually, I learned a trick. So basically, if you see butter, you like poke it with a fork. Oh, never mind. So it's supposed to come out like a...
That's not a good party trick.
Yeah, never mind.
Let me try that chicken here. Is it good? Chicken good?
Yeah, but you have to like eat it with.
You
like,
eat like an
hot sauce.
iPad kid.
What is this? Is it different hot sauce?
Yeah, try it. Smell it. All right, let's try.
To be honest, I had like a little bit of hot sauce. I never had that actually.
Okay. How about let's have them ask us questions, but nothing weird, please.